we are going to start our last chapter, the soil, our natural resource. Do you know, soil is an important element of the environment. Without soil, plants and trees cannot grow, and we cannot live without plants and trees. So, let's discuss about in detail. Air, water and soil are the gift of nature to man. Soil is needed to grow crops and plants. In this chapter, we shall study about soils, their formation, types and where they are found in different parts of India. And also we will learn about conservation of soil and its importance. Soil. So, what is soil? Upper layer of the earth in which plants grow is called soil. The soil types and thickness from vary place to place. Formation of soil. Soil is formed by the process of weathering. It takes hundreds of years to form a soil layer. What is weathering? The process of breaking down rocks due to variations in temperature, wind and water is known as weathering. Types of soil. Look at the map of India. We see 6 different colors indicating different types of soils found in different parts of the country. Most of the parts of our country are covered with the red soil. Desert soil is very less. As you know, the desert soil is present in the desert region like Rajasthan. It is unable to grow vegetation in large quantity. Black soil is good for crops like cotton. Alluvial soil is a fertile soil. You know, the alluvial soil consists of sand and clay. There are 6 types of soils found in India. Alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil and desert soil. First one is alluvial soil. It is most fertile soil. It is found in northern plains. The main crops are grown in alluvial soil are wheat, rice, sugarcane, jute and cotton. It is brought down by the rivers. Black soil. Black soil is made up of lava. It is rich in iron. It is found in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. It can hold moisture. What is lava? Hot liquid rock that comes out of a mountain with an opening in the top is known as lava. Lava makes the soil fertile. Cotton grows well in black soil, that is why it is also known as cotton soil. Red soil, it is less fertile. Why it is red? Because of red oxide. It is found in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. The main crops grown in red soil are groundnut, jowar, bajra and ragi. Laterite soil. Where there is heavy rainfall following a dry period, in that places the laterite soil are present. These are found in Western Ghats. Western Ghats receives more than 300 cm of rainfall annually. Mountain soil. It is found in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. It is rich in humus. Do you know what is humus? Humus is a substance made from dead leaves and plants that we put into the ground to help plants grow. Tea, coffee, apples, peaches and plums are the main crops grown in this soil. Next one is desert soil. It is dry and sandy. It is found in Rajasthan, Gujarat and Haryana. The main crops are found here: millets, barley and maize. Soil conservation. For conserving the soil, we should follow these steps. First one is practice no-till farming. No-till farming is a method of agriculture for growing crops without disturbing the soil. Constructing dam and rivers. As we know, when it rains, all the water goes into the crop's field and destroy the crop as well as soil. That is why construction of dam can preserve the soil. Build terrace on hill slopes. Why do we build terraces on hill slopes? So that we can preserve the soil. Use of chemical fertilizers. Extensive use of chemical fertilizers can destroy the fertility of soil. Fertility means एक ऐसी soil जिसमें हम plants को अच्छे तरीके से grow कर सकते हैं और because of chemicals soil की fertility कम हो जाती है. Using the right method of plowing fields. Avoid overgrazing. Overgrazing means जहाँ पर Avoid overgrazing means we should stop overgrazing for animals. We should plant more and more trees. Do you know what is the meaning of overgrazing? Overgrazing means allowing animals such as cows to eat the grass on an area of land. This makes the soil loose. That is why we should stop overgrazing. Plant more trees because roots of plants hold the soil. If these methods are adopted, soil erosion can be controlled. Now we can understand soil is an important natural resource. Plants are the basic need of life. They cannot grow without soil. Plants give us food as well as oxygen. If soil is not fit for plants to grow, earth will become a desert. We see every year soil washed away by flowing water and wind. Rain is also a main agent of removal of the topsoil. Thus, we should protect and conserve the soil. So dear children, hope you understood the chapter well. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.